Rock the Block is brought together by Leadership Sacramento 2018, coming together with Habitat for Humanity to make it possible to come to South Oak Park neighborhood and engage in over 15 neighborhood revitalization and home repair projects. We realize that the housing crisis that we have in our state and our community is not just only the access to affordable housing, but also the need to keep people in their already affordable homes.
I really appreciate what Habitat, like say, Rock on the Block, they're doing for us, especially right now that I'm disabled. I'm not working, and this is really good for me. Appreciate all this. My house got rocked.
I'm more than willing to pitch in. I love giving up my time, especially for a great cause like this. The great thing about Wells Fargo, I've been there for a little over 6 years. They've had a few things that were always at the forefront, and giving back was one of them.
My wife Alex first told me about it. I honestly didn't even believe it. We had a chain link fence here. Somebody had hit the fence with a car, apparently. We didn't really see what happened. So now with the fence here, it just looks amazing. It brings out the curb appeal. Now my kids have a place where, they can play in the yard, in a secure yard. Really, really want to thank you guys. My house got rocked.
It's events like this that allow us to work with the community, to collaborate and develop partnerships for beautification with a goal of creating a higher quality of life for everybody in the county that we serve.
48 hours in this city, 13 or 14 homes now have beautiful gardens, a beautiful community garden itself. This is the spirit of the city that I love.
As we're in an underserved community, it really makes sense for the whole city to really come together. And so Habitat's given a really good example of that.
Our presenting sponsor, Wells Fargo, and Phil Cerna of Sacramento County are really the ones that help make this possible financially and bring this together. In addition to that, we have about 30 different sponsors who are helping make the project possible.
We're just so proud as a class, in the Leadership Sacramento class of 2018, to be able to do so much and impact this neighborhood in such a positive way.